welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my fish pepper soup. This is a very simple dish. You can make it when guests are coming to your house, or it can just be like comfort food. If you want to know how I make my fish pepper soup, keep watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright, let's get cooking. Right, first things first guys, I'm just going to be showing you what I'll be using. So I've got some fish here. You can use any kind of fish, to be honest, catfish, salmon, any type of fish, but this is the Mrigal fish. I just got this from the halal shops. It was frozen and I've just washed this. Then I've got some crayfish here as well. It's grinded. I've got some chopped onions and some pepper. This is the kind of pepper I use. I've just chopped that. I've got some ground pepper soup, some garlic paste, some dried scent leaf, salt, and I've also got Cameroon pepper here. This is just the normal one I use at home. Depending on how strong you want or how hot you want it to be, I may add this or not, but it's been grinded up. Okay guys, I'm just gonna add some water into the pot, and then we'll just bring this to boil. You need to just add once because fish doesn't take time to cook. I'm just gonna add some salt. My onions and pepper. Garlic paste. Gonna leave this to simmer for a while. Right, so now that this has been boiling, I'm just gonna add the crayfish. This is the pepper soup spice, so I'll pour some water in it. Just a little bit of water. Try and get this to dissolve. Okay, so I'm going to sieve the water. We're not just pouring the spice inside. So you can do it up to 3 times, depends on your personal preference. And so I'm just going to check on our food to see how it's getting on. And then I'm just going to add some Cameroon just for that extra heat. Give that a good stir. And this is almost ready, guys. That's the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial on how to make fish pepper soup. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and let me know in the comment section below on how you got on with your cooking and how it tasted. Now I'm just gonna enjoy my fish pepper soup. Can you guys see it? Should I bring it closer? I'm just gonna enjoy my fish pepper soup with some wine.